and welcome back to another episode of Unboxing the Birmingham Museum, where I, Caitlin Donnelly, go into a random storage area at the Birmingham Museum and just open up a random box. Why are we doing this? Well, because we have so many things here at the Birmingham Museum. We have thousands and thousands of objects, which means there's no possible way that any staff member has opened up every box to see what's inside. So now that we are closed to the public, unfortunately, due to the coronavirus and its spread, we have time to go into storage areas and open up random boxes. And I'm sorry if the audio is a little echoey today. We are in another closet in the Allen house upstairs. But back when this house was a banquet facility in the 80s and 90s, this was the men's restroom. So we recently repainted and everything, and this is actually one of the areas in the museum still under some renovation. So we're still moving things in here, moving things around, but we do have the tile floors still that are great for bouncing sound, and actually even the fans that you would find in a bathroom. So I'm here, I'm standing next to one of our many shelves in here. I am wearing my white cotton gloves, and that is so, well, first off, they make me look like Minnie Mouse, which makes me feel powerful in a weird way. And it will keep my hand oils from damaging fragile objects. And again, I've been following the CDC recommendations to wash my hands several hundred times a day. So I don't know how many hand oils still survive on my hands, but we're still gonna wear them anyways, because that's the professional thing to do. So let's take a look and, okay. We got some old looking boxes up here. Take a look at this beauty. And this one says NY Life Western News. Well, all right, let's open it up and take a look. And it's got a lock on here. Oh, there we go. Okay. You have to turn it around, not lift it up. That's what, okay. Looks like we got some slides. Oh, and these are in color. And let's see, they have a little subject line up here. So this is the Congressional Library in Washington. Oh, and these were printed by Geo H. Luther, Austin Station, Chicago, Illinois. So I'll hold these up, but I will also have closer images that I will put in when I go in to edit this. So it looks like we've got, about 24 slides here. And, it looks like they are all the Western News Company. Oh, and this one looks like lots of tables and chairs. Oh, these are cool. I'm not sure why they're here, but I'm glad they are. And Hollister Samples, Hollister News Company. Beautiful. Oh, this is cool too. This is showing some ladies in, it looks like turn of the century garb at a desk. This one doesn't have a label, so I'm not sure. We'll pull out one more. Oh, and this is a gentleman with some very nice facial hair. He's a good looking dude. All right, and the inside of the box in pencil and, looks like graphite pencil and some red pencil. We got a couple different things. Some of them have been crossed out. It doesn't look like these have been put here by any curator. So as you've probably seen from watching Donna's video on the accessioning process, we like to use pencil sometimes when marking things that are paper. I'm not sure if we would mark this in pencil, but that might be a good question for Donna. Well, thank you again for tuning in for another episode of Unboxing the Birmingham Museum, where we do what 12-year-olds on YouTube do all the time, only in a museum setting. Next episode, we'll be going into another random storage area at the Birmingham Museum and opening up a random box. So we'll see you then. Bye.